Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It is Sunday, and we are going for another hike since we still can't travel internationally.
We're in an area of my neighborhood I've never even been in.
And how long have you lived here?
Lived here for 20 plus years.
And he's never been here, and he lives down the street. So we could have literally walked here, but it's California, so we drove because you got to drive everywhere in California.
Yeah.
But we'll see you guys on the trail. Bye.
Bye. Look what we found right at the beginning of the trail.
It's another bunny. Pretty darn beautiful out here, you guys. We were not at all familiar with this area, even though it's down the street.
Good morning.
Hike. Enjoy the
Thank you. Have a nice ride.
You as well.
the June blue. What's left of it.
Yeah.
So, we're just walking along and saw this off on the side. Don't know what it is. Looks like an old burnt down truck or something.
Yeah, truck.
And that's exactly what it is.
The old truck.
Yeah. I wonder how long this has been here.
I don't know.
That
Think
is
the engine's
crazy.
salvageable?
I think so. I think we can definitely
We
salvage
could
it.
fix this. It's not too rusted, I don't think.
I mean, you're good with cars. I'm sure you
Yeah.
can. I'm sure you
Needs
can
a-
figure it out.
Just needs a little bit of body work. Little body work, a little paint. That'll be good.
Yep.
I think we gotta get that piece over there too.
Where?
Gotta make sure we bring that with us.
Oh yeah. Got to bring that with us. Y'all, there are so many pretty flowers here. I mean, we were looking for them in Ojai a couple of weekends ago, so you guys know, because we showed ya, but those were gone. And then now we're here. Look at these. Look at these tiny purple ones. These are my faves. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. Look at all of these. It's just so pretty.
Everybody's coming here to meet some friends. It's like another world we all understand. I cannot live without you. I cannot breathe without you.
I think I might die. Because I suck at climbing things, you know this.
From there to here to there to here.
You guys, I'm going to die.
Trust it.
Yay! And then up to that one?
To this one.
To that one?
Here, to there.
Okay.
Use your legs. You're good.
I'm scared. Oh! Yay! You guys, I did it.
This will be.
I did it, you guys. Ah! It's a tiny rock, I know, but I hate climbing rocks. Look at those clouds. They're so pretty. And Richie said he's going to go up there. Let's see if he gets there.
I'm going.
There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. My little monkey's gonna climb. He wants to get up to that point, which doesn't seem like it's that difficult, but I have really wonky knees, so I avoid anything that might, you know, slip and fall. I think I spotted him, ladies and gentlemen. He's right there. He made it. spot right there. He's having his Lion King moment.
So I was trying to take her up to that spot where you just seen me go up to the top of the rock, but it's a little bit too much of a climb for her.
For
She
me.
can't get up there.
Yeah, I have bad knees, really bad knees, so I don't like to take risks with them because it's tough.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, he saw it. That's good enough.
It's crazy that this is like in my own backyard and I never knew this stuff
And
was
he
here.
never knew. It's literally 5 minutes down the street from him.
This is what YouTube has done for us. It's got us
Yeah.
out of the house and explore places that we've never been.
I know.
And I didn't even know it was here.
That are in our own backyard. I mean, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Well, we're going to continue along the trail. And I'm going to try to fly the drone around too. See if we get some other cool stuff.
Yay. See you guys there. Spider webs were. Hopefully I don't have spiders on me. I did it. Alright, everybody. I cannot get up on the rock because I got short legs and lots of fears. But Richie is sitting up the drone.
We need a miracle. Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all and shed no tears. Behind the progress, behind our walls, we had it all and we want more. Just a dream that turns into nightmare. The future is ours, we run out of time. Just a dream that turns into nightmare. We don't care when you gonna know. We don't care, we are just the same. We ignore the waves and we ignore the fire. We need a miracle. We know it's bad, then we forget. It's not a problem, it's not our fault. We know it's crazy, how only say. It's not a story, we have to change.
Hey guys, so while we do a time lapse, I thought I would talk to you guys. So obviously we're a pretty new channel, and most of the people that are subscribed to our channel are people that we don't know personally, believe it or not, even though we're a small channel. So we were wondering if you guys would be interested in us doing like a Q&A, a quick little Q&A, so you guys can get to know us a little bit more. Let us know in the comments below if it's a yes. Let us know what question you would like to ask us. You can ask us anything, as long as it's not inappropriate. You know, it's going to be G-rated. But let us know if there's anything you want to know about us and if you would be interested in seeing that Q&A. All right, thank you.
That turns into nightmare. The future is ours, we run out of time. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. The future is now, what's been done so far. Leave a silent word. We don't care when you gonna know. We don't care, we are just the same. We ignore the waves and we ignore the fire. We need a miracle.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed our Santa Susana hike. If you're in LA, the easiest way to get to it is you hop on the 118 and you take the Topanga exit. And then,
Go down to Lassen and you'll make a right and go all the way down to the end of the road.
yep, and you'll see it there. It's right next to a cemetery, the entrance. It's right next to a cemetery. So as soon as you pass the cemetery, the next entrance, that's to the little hike. It's in a residential area.
Yeah.
But we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let us know in the comments if you'd be interested in the Q&A and what your question would be. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. especially if you made it to this point of the video.
And make sure you like the video.
Make sure you like it. If you super duper like us, hit the bell for notifications. And make sure you go follow us on Instagram because we post lots of pictures there. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Bye.
Bye.